if you got cold, bad cold, you're gonna cook some chicken soup. So I cooked some chicken, whole Cornish chicken. Look at that, it's the whole chicken, but very, very small chicken. So this is about to be done. I'm just gonna make some bok choy because it's winter here. No more malunggay. So in the grocery only the available is because I'm sick today, so I need to drink some soup. Then only bok choy is available, so that's about it. There you go. And this is gonna be done in few seconds. The bok choy can be quick, very quick. Now what is this? I think I burned a little bit onion. We're gonna take that out. There you go. We don't want to eat the burn one. And that's about it, guys. This is done. Look at that Cornish chicken. It's already cooked. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's drink the soup. So I'm gonna feel better. Yeah, I'm sick, guys. After vacation, yeah. Okay, let's eat. Bye. Thank you for watching.